Hi, everybody. My name's Jennifer. I thought I should probably do a little explaining before I continue to post short videos saying, hey, listen to me, just so you understand my background, where I'm coming from, and why I'm making these videos. So I'm a born and bred New Englander, for better or for worse, although I would love to move to Florida someday. But anyway, I have a grown daughter, and both my parents have passed away. I do have a corporate day job, but I have some time on my hands. My daughter recently moved out, and I find that there's only so much cleaning that I could possibly stand to do. So, about a year ago, I was kind of doing some life transformation things, call it middle age crisis, whatever you want to call it. And I came across digital planning. And I've never minded tech. In fact, my family would say that I like technology. So I started learning about it, watched hundreds of hours of tutorials and videos, and I had an iPad that I had not been using. And I decided that it was time I put that money to use. So I started little by little learning digital planning, and I got completely hooked. Now, I love my paper calendar too. Don't get me wrong. I had a brand new one for 2024. I had stickers, I had highlighters, I had color coding. I said, this is going to be my year. I'm not going to forget anybody's birthday or anything I have to do. If the furnace is getting cleaned, it's going to be written down. Loved it. But after a couple of months of digital planning and realizing that the possibilities were just absolutely endless, I could use it as little or as much as I wanted to help my life. And also, it's very forgiving. You make a mistake, you just scribble out and start over. I did not appreciate making mistakes in my paper calendar when I had to buy whiteout. And sometimes I just couldn't make it look nice anymore. And then I couldn't wait for the next month to come. So I could just color code and sticker that month to death. So, anyway, little by little, I realized that it was a love of mine. It also gave me a creative outlet. So, at the same time of feeling more organized, giving me a creative outlet, knowing I could use it as little or as much as I want, and knowing that because of our cloud services, which is a whole nother video, that I could back all my information up and I would never feel again in a panic. Oh my gosh, thinking that my paper planner was in my briefcase or my tote bag and it wasn't. What am I going to do? This is not good. And I just didn't want to feel that way anymore. And for anyone who's approaching middle age like I am, you start to realize that things need to be written down. It's just the way it is. I hate it, but it's just the way it is. The steel trap is not what it used to be.